Hi and hello there, Libra. Welcome new subscribers. I'm Yan, no? Returning isang buyer sa bubulol. Returning Istam buyers, thank you sa inyo walang sawang love and support for me. At kung hindi niyo pa meron pa tayong other channel, link is down below sa ating description box. So if interesado, i-click lamang yung link na yan para kayo mapunta there at araw-araw ay nag-upload tayo ng collective readings for all signs doon. At yun nga natin gender dito sa babae, lalaki, LGBT dati, welcome. Pwede rin pong iswitch yung mga roles dahil possible talaga magkapalit-palit po kasi general reading ito. At the end of the day, lahat ay may free will na free yung gamitin anytime, where? So, yun nga titingnan natin dito Libra 'no, kung sino ba itong energy na kumo-connect sa inyo 'no, for the no contact 'no. This could be past or this could be new. So, kaya no contact 'no, kasi kung new ito possible nako-contact pa lang kasi sa inyo 'no. At kung ito naman mga babes 'no ay past 'no, let's see kung ano yung mga gusto niya ritong sabihin sa inyo 'no or sa thoughts niya rito. Okay, cross watchers ni Libra, welcome ka rin. May Libra placement sa natal/birth chart, welcome din kayo. So let's see your messages, Libra. Just take only what resonates with you guys. Archangel Michael, thank you so much. Angel guys, can we get messages right here for Libra, please? What does Libra needs to know? Can you please show me, Libra? Who is this energy connecting kay Libra? Can you please show me? Okay, so let's go ahead and check these messages right here para sa iyo, Libra. So guys, excuse me. So, nagala ko yung throat chakra ko, no? So, either this person here, yeah, see, coming. This person right here is coming. Yeah, definitely, arrival is very near. Okay? With the hangman right in here, another major arcana for you, Libra. Okay? Two. I'm seeing twos right in here. So, definitely, two is the number of soulmate. Your soulmate is coming in. This person, maaaring tawid dagat siya, no? Or pwede rin namang via plane, maaaring physically far located siya sa inyo, but this person's coming. We have here the Magician, Fortune's Wheel. Wow, you've got four major arcanas dito, Libra. We also have here para sa bottom of the deck, five Justice card energy. You could be dealing with Aries or Taurus, no? Or baka merong Taurus or Aries kayo sa natal chart ninyo. Or baka itong person na to, no? But you could be dealing with any other zodiac sign. Okay, so we have here the Ace of Coins para sa bottom of the deck and the Knight of Coins. Definitely, for this, I'm getting new person. So, hindi ito ex ninyo. This is new person right here for you, Libra. And this person's coming. Chariot card energy. I do pick up that this person right here na will be a part here of mga future niya dito. Magiging part ka ng future niya. I'm seeing partnership right here. Maaaring magsimula lang ito as something platonic, no? Maaaring friendship, ganyan, mag-start, no? Or pwede rin namang magkatrabaho, ganyan, mag-start, no? But this person is coming in at galing siya sa malayo. Possible na iba yung kanya rito beliefs, traditions, or paniniwala, no? But definitely, this person right here is someone who also believes sa kung anong pinaniniwalaan mo, no? Might not be into tarot or energy readings, no? Pero naniniwala siya rito kay universe, sa destiny, sa mga stars, no, yung mga ganyan, okey, aware siya sa mga ganyan at hindi lang aware, naniniwala siya sa mga ganyan 'no. Pero unlike you, hindi siya yung palanood ng mga energy readings like this 'no. Pero isa siyang believer ng destiny. So, yun ang nakikita natin dito 'no, and yeah, baby, you are his or her destiny. Partnership ang nakikita ko sa inyo 'no, at more future pagsasama nitong tao na 'to 'no. Fortune's Wheel, umikot na dito ang gulong ng kapalaran ninyo kaya kung matagal ka ng single, single era is about to over na talaga rito 'no. Talagang tapos na, final na yung inyo ritong singleness era at nakikita natin dito that you're gonna step into this type of amazing love story with this person. Libra, siya mga babes 'no, ang iyong destiny, fortune's wheel is right here. I do pick up that this is the new beginning na iniintay mo when it comes to your love life, 'yan. So, this is a new person, marami sa inyo mga babes 'no, ang hindi niyo pa 'yan nami-meet, pero iba sa inyo may nauna na. Mm. Nakilala niyo na siya 'no at nakikita natin dito 'no, na marami pa kayo ditong parang mga pagsasamahan 'no, ng mga situations together 'no. At yun mga babes 'no, ay hindi sinasadya ng mga tao sa paligid ninyo kundi si universe ang sumasadya talaga ng mga situations na yan para paglapitin kayo kasi meant to be kayong pumirma sa marriage contract na meant to be kayong ikasal 'no, destined kayo for each other 'no, okey? You are 'yan 'no, kayo yung dalawang timbangan na 'yan 'no. So, I do pick up na mababalance ninyo ang energy ng isa't isa and 11-11. You could be seeing a lot of number 11-11. You're on the right path 'no, towards each other. Knight of Pentacles energy, this person right here is someone who's soft yung kanya rito 'no, na approach, very gentle, okey? Babae, lalaki, LGBT, very sincere individual, someone right here who's faithful. Yeah, you heard it right. Faithful, loyal, no matter how you call it. No, this person right here is stick to one. And nakikita ko talaga ang new beginning. I'm also seeing a lot of number one. I'm also seeing a lot of number twos, definitely. Okay. Basumita, number two right here, no, is number of soulmate. This person is already, no, nasa corner na ng inyong life. No, you're about to meet this person with the chariot card energy. Might be owning here a vehicle, na baka may sariling car, motorcycle, but doesn't have to be, no. The chariot is an energy of travel, and I do see that this person right here is someone na talagang palapit na rito sa inyo. Via land man yan, via air, via water man yung sakyan niya rito, I do see this person's coming, no? Tingnan natin dito with the magician. You manifested this person, and this person manifested you. Okay? I do not know, pero nakuha natin dito, possible na meron ditong someone, no, from the viewers, ang favorite, ang purple, lavender, no, basta something to do with violet, no, or, indigo colors, no, violet, no matter how you call it, no, any shades of it, okay, could be your favorite color, or maybe this person's favorite color, okay? And yung mga babes, nakikita natin dito ang energy. And I don't know, I'm seeing BTS right in here, no? Yeah, actually. Okay, maybe fan kayo ng BTS right in here, no? May ganong klase ng energy, no? Or this person is a big fan of BTS, okay? Because I'm also seeing, no, yung light stick nila. Okay? Or maybe this person here knows BTS, okay? So, aside from that, Libra, nakakuha rin tayo ng energy dito, no? Na kung sino man tong energy na to, possible na, maaaring siya ay policeman, someone na nasa service, no? Possible na lawyer, okay? Maaaring yun yung profession niya, okay? Or maaaring malaman mo nag-aaral siya ng gano'n or nagkaroon siya ng subject ng gano'n nung nag-aaral pa siya, okay? Just take only what resonates. But this person right here is someone who's very well balanced, also fair and square, no? Nakita rin natin dito that this person right here is someone na alam mo yung hindi mo siya maririnig na sumigaw. Hindi dahil sa nasa loob yung kulo niya, okay? Kundi dahil siya ay isang person rito, no, na nakikinig muna bago kumukuda or nagsasalita. This person right here is someone, no, na parang hari or reyna ng understanding. Yes, no? Unlike you, nakikita natin dito na mas mahaba ang pasensya niya. Yes. At nakikita rin natin dito na kung sino man ito Libra, no? I do pick up that this is someone na talagang magbo-bloom ang romance sa pagitan ninyong dalawa Libra, no? Nakikita natin dito, yung iba parang meron ditong situation 'no, na parang alam mo yung nagkataon kind of thing. No, kunwari ganito, meron kang nalaglag na gamit and this person right here is someone who happens na pupulot nun, iaabot sa'yo. Just like that. That is just an example 'no, but I'm not saying na yun na yun, okay? Um Other example could be yung alam mo yung energy 'no, na maaaring marami kang nakakasalubong everyday 'no, while you're waiting for your bus 'no, sa bus stop or sa subway ka nag-iintay 'no, or whatever, wherever 'no, and then you bump shoulders with this person 'no, yung ganong klase ng energy, okey? It could be any specific situations 'no, pero yung iba gano'n niyo siya rito mami-meet 'no. And I do see that this person right here is someone who embodies right here 'no, yung mga katangian rito na hinahanap mo sa isang person. Especially yung person rito 'no, na alam mo yung energy ng marunong makinig 'no, kasi parang may energy ka rito na yung mga naging past lovers mo 'no, hindi marunong makinig ta's paulit-ulit pa sa mga kasalanan nila kahit na paulit-ulit ka na rin nagsasabi sa kanila 'no. This person right here is not someone like that, okay? This person right here is someone who listens, and this person right here is someone 'no, na hindi gagawa rito ng bagay na ikakadismaya mo. Ote, 'di ba? This person right here is amazing, 'di ba? Because tinataglay niya rito yung dapat sana tinataglay rin ng mga past lovers mo. This person here is coming up right here for you guys. This person right here is someone from far place 'no. Okay, could be from other country, could be from different side of earth, okay, or maybe nasa isang bansa lang kayo pero dulo-dulo kayo 'no. You could be from south, this person could be from north 'no, or vice versa. Just take how this resonates, okay? So, may gano'ng klase ng energy, okay? So, this person right here is someone na hindi ko naman nakikitang introvert siya, but this person right here is someone 'no, na parang nakakahanap siya ng comfort kapagka siya ay alone. This person is not lonely 'no, pero parang may energy siya dito na parang, um, okey lang sa kanya, mas nakakapag-relax siya 'pag mag-isa siya 'no. So gano'n yung setup niya, okey, habang wala ka pa 'no. So parang yung energy niya is someone na parang, you know, nasa window 'no, and then stargazing, nakatingin sa sky 'no, and this person feels comfortable about it 'no, enjoying the night view, parang gano'ng klase ng energy siya. So this person right here is not introvert, okey? Actually, extrovert ko siya nakukuha rito. This person right here 'no is, introvert and then extrovert din 'no. Introvert 'no, parang hati na this person right here enjoys time 'no, kahit siya lang mag-isa 'no. But this person also knows 'no, paano makisalamuha 'no, or maging social dito 'no, with the extrovert din 'no. So nakikita natin dito flexible siya, and at the same time, this person right here 'no is very sincere. Yan yung nakikita natin dito. So I think you're gonna fall for this person 'no, because masyado siyang sincere 'no, at makikita mo yun 'no during dun sa mga times na hindi niyo pa nare-realize that you're fallen for each other, yan 'no. Our little conversations. Parang papuntang rock na naman, eh, 'no. Are turning into little sweet sensations, yan, 'di ba? So, nakikita natin dito 'no, okey, hindi ito magiging madali 'no, this will naturally unfold na lang 'no, at mafi-feel niyo na lang that, "Oops, I'm in love na pala sa kanya." And so, this person in love na din pala sa'yo. Okay, so feel it 'no, every bits of it mga babes 'no. This is so satisfying love connection that you surely, definitely talaga namang magiging love na love. So yeah, for the initials right here, yes, we do have. I don't know why I'm picking up right here 'no, capital letter J. Might be yung talagang first letter ng name niya, name ninyo, second name ninyo, second name niya, or maybe ang kanya dito na surname. Just take how this resonates. Aside from letter G, we also have here na letters C, we also have here letter I, A, D, we also have here letter M, letter F, and last but not the least, we have here the letter T. So yeah, these are all the messages I got right here for you, Libra. Thank you so much for your time here, babe. And again, I'm Mariana, Ani for the girls, and Yana Duna for the boys. Sarang hiya, love and light. Annyeong.